Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your ride history within the Lyft application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lyft app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, use your phone number and your verification code in order to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will end up within the homepage from which you can directly start booking your Lyft. Now, if you wish to clear your ride history, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and you will see the ride history option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now this will show all of your rides that you have taken within the application. You can simply long press on any ride and then tap on multiple rides to select them at the same time. And you will see the appropriate delete button which you can tap on and provide your confirmation, and all of your ride history and the rides that you selected will be cleared right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to clear your ride history on the Lyft app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.